I'm going to review the best robot vacuum cleaners in the market for this year. At number 1, iRobot Roomba 960. Cleaning your room just got so much easier with this product. With the patented iDapt 2.0 technology with V-Slam navigation, your rooms would be mapped out inch by inch and cleaned entirely. It is equipped with a suction power feature that is able to remove dirt and dust by as much as 5 times, which gives it a high performance rating. It's very easy to use. It has a pre-installed app, has automatic charging and height adjustment features, and multi-surface rubber brushes that adequately clean carpets and hard floors. At number 2, Shark Ion 750, RV750. This device is capable of automatically cleaning your home as it comes equipped with 2 side brushes to clean up edges and corners easily. A brush roll that cleans by itself and a smart sensor navigation, you can schedule the cleaning of your home using this device by making use of the Wi-Fi connectivity feature with your supported device. The thin design allows it to easily navigate its way around your furniture, which aids in thorough cleaning. The lithium-ion battery it comes with gives you over an hour of cleaning. At number 3, Echovox Dbot N79S. This device is equipped with a main brush as well as 2 brushes in the side that switch between 3 cleaning modes depending on the square feet to be covered. It goes into auto mode for a large area, spot mode for a small area, and edge mode when cleaning edges. The battery life of this device is close to 2 hours runtime and automatically recharges when it's low. Cleaning of very tough areas can be done by adjusting the suction power to its maximum capacity by 2 times the normal level.